Drop it.
What's going on, guys?
What's up, team? How we doing?
Oh, what a day. What a day.
Traffic lights are fucking killer, dude. I'm having so much fun with these. I was just telling Gabe earlier, I'm in one right now, and it's just it's literally point and shoot. It's like shooting fish in a fucking barrel. This is too crazy. I don't know what we've done here, but I might have to just retire by the end of the year, and we're done.
Yeah, have I helped you, like, channel your inner Caucasian propensity to become a serial killer?
No.
Oh, well, I was hoping. Oh, man. Well, I mean, just to be a serial killer in the market. Yeah.
Oh, that, yes. I will steal everybody's money in the market. Anybody that's on the other side of these trades that I'm in right now, good fucking luck. Good luck, bro.
Oh, man. Tahoe Trader, take your time, man. You're good. Just take your time. This will all fall into place for you, as it has for many of the OGs in this community.
Mm-hmm. I think we really did something here with these traffic lights. Like the video, like, ooh, yeah, the traffic lights are just too sexy, dude. Like, it's too dirty.
Lori, how are ya? Rose Q, hola.
How we doing, team?
Yeah, everyone's doing good, huh?
Thanks for the retweet, SV. Trying to get affiliate clicks. Hey, no problem, man. I got you guys. You guys all are in that, or a lot of you guys are in that affiliate program right now. You guys are doing all right. Well, Gabe and I still have to put together a little video for you guys on some tips and tricks to actually start cranking as an affiliate. We could get that out for you guys coming soon.
Yes.
Up 9% on the port today, Lori. Jesus. Nobody does it like us, team. It's not like... Yeah, 5-minute yellow dots are good. I mean, if you don't have a good foundation of like 1348 trading and mainly risk management, don't even go near the 1 minute. Unless you have your risk management locked and loaded, you should not be touching the 1 minute.
Yep. Oh boy.
Let's see.
I got a transporter on the way. Jeez.
A car?
Yeah, it's a different one. That one's also going on Turo.
Nice. I got gifted a hat today.
You did what?
One of the guys from my playground gave me a hat.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Lambskin or rubber?
No, it's like a flat brim, but it's cool.
Oh, I'm fucking with you. I know, man. Let's see. Rose Q. You know what? Shout outs to like the underrepresented women in just trading in general. You know, we have the Rose, the Loris, the Dianas. We have some guys who are pronouns or some women who are pronouns in here, and that's fine. But at the end of the day, shout outs to you guys because you're absolutely killing it, and I love to see it. Joanna, 7.2% up. Using the yellow traffic light. Joanna, that's what we like to see. Marquez, I like that last name too. Winning Loser says STV could be the next Christian Bale, American Psycho. You actually fucking can, dude. Dude, you're more Hollywood than you are Trade 1348. I'm going to be honest with you.
Yeah, I think about that sometimes when I like do like workouts in my apartment. I'm like, fuck, I like really feel like Patrick Bateman right now.
Jesus Christ.
Without all like the killing.
All right. If you guys would excuse me, I have to go ahead and take that. Be right back.
All right. I'll talk. All right, team. How we doing? 72.2% on the port using the yellow dot. That's fucking awesome. I mean, I'm looking to see what SPY's going to do here off this 13 on the 5 minute. I think we could get a crack. Honestly, you'd be looking, I mean, the first target would be like 388. Then you've got 387.50. I'd say those are pretty much the targets to the downside. If we're gonna slip from here, which I do think is possible, but we've seen a lot of choppy nonsense today. Do I look in the mirror when I'm with the Cougars? No. SV's new nickname should be Hollywood. I mean, you guys can call me whatever the hell you want. It's just like you guys call me a lot of weird things. Maybe that's why he has a male fan club in his DMs. I don't know, man. That stuff's weird. Ooh, a little spy pop there. Let's see. Back to the 48 on the 5. Ooh, here it comes. Ah, that took it. Darn. Darn. That's okay. Let's see. 30 today. 32% on the account. PCE tomorrow. Thoughts? Is it tomorrow? Let me look. We don't have PCE tomorrow. I see existing home sales. That's it. PCE's next Friday. PCE data is next Friday. Also, guys, I don't want to see any slackers on the stream over here. Make sure you guys are hitting the like button on the way in. And you guys all get access to the 2-week free trial, 1348. It's at the top of the live chat. It's in Gabe's description. I mean, without these yellow dots, I don't know what the fuck you guys are doing. Seriously. Like, these are so filthy. Make sure you guys are taking advantage of that because we are going to be raising the prices. It's going to be a lot higher than what it is now. The things that we're offering just in general are so filthy. And the things that we have coming are going to take a lot more data to essentially bring out to you guys. So just get ready. Get ready. All you guys that are in now are always grandfathered in though. But I know you guys have been crushing it. I love to see it. Spy's fucking around a little bit. So up 16.7% on the portfolio for the day and done. Jesus. You get hit on more dudes than chicks at the gym. No shame in being pretty. Fair enough, bro. Is there a way to see who your referrals are? I don't think so. But you guys all know how to become affiliates. It's in your it's in like the settings page on platform. The yellow dots are fire. Rose, they really are. The yellow dots really are pretty nuts. So Spy's flickering around right here. I was trying to catch a dot, but that's effectively invalidated my dot. So that's fine. Harker speaking tomorrow at 8 a.m. Yeah, we have had a lot of Fed speakers recently. A lot of Fed speakers, and we're going to continue to have them. Let's see. Spy fucking around. Everything just kind of screwing around over here. Nothing too crazy. Spy playing with your emotions. Size down. I'm telling you guys right now, if you size down a little bit with these dots and you set your risk levels, you're just gonna murder it, dude. It's game over. Hello.
Whatever he said. Yeah. Game over.
We're having fun today though. So I got stopped out on the 1 minute dot.
That's fine. You lost nothing.
Barely anything. The risk is so tight, dude. That's what I love about these. The risk is so tight. I'll just sling it.
Mm-hmm.
As long as I know where my risk is and I can see kind of where we're headed. That one was a little bit different because we were in a little bit of a chop zone. I was like, this could be a little bit of a flip here. But remember, I'm just scalping them. I'm not trying to hit these giant gains. If it happens, it happens. Great.
Yeah.
But that's not the goal. The goal is to scale out at 10%, move my stop to break even, slowly step it up, and let the trade do whatever the fuck it wants.
Okay, so what's your stop loss on average? I think everybody wants to know.
It depends on the trade.
Okay.
So I think on that one, it was 7 or 8%, maybe.
Not bad.
But this trade was sized down anyway. So in terms of a percentage of my portfolio, it's negligible.
There you go.
Like I could have literally, and I could have averaged into my level there. I was just having fun with it. Like that's kind of what I'm doing with these yellow dots. I'm just having fun with them, slinging them, using proper risk management. Because that's the thing. All I'm focused on is the risk. I don't care about the trade. The trade can go super green or red and stop me out. But here's the thing. I don't give a shit with what the result of the trade is. I care more about the process of entering and setting up the trade and managing it, which is what I want all of you guys to do too.
You said a key word here. Managing.
Mm-hmm.
You guys need to be managers.
Mm-hmm.
That's what this game is. It's like a game of checkers, a game of chess. It's pretty much any game you've ever played all your life. Mm-hmm. You're managing the game. Right? Mm-hmm. I do have to yell at somebody here, though.
Uh-oh.
Winning loser. I may be suffering from Alzheimer's at a very young age, but earlier today in a live stream, you said you were up 17%. You said he had ran out of dry powder. What happened, bro? Because I see that percentage has changed, and you said you were
Winning
done.
loser. What'd you do? Unless he was holding something with the stop loss strategy, which I don't know
Possible.
what you would have been holding.
Hmm.
That's the other thing too. You have to know when to get off the table. You need to know when to leave.
Just
Know
go.
when to fold. Or know when to walk away. Okay, sorry.
All right. Yeah. So yeet. Okay. He says, dude, the plays always go opposite of where I want it to go, even with the indicators. I don't know what I'm missing. Watch the tutorials. Otherwise, turn your monitor upside down. Problem solved.
Yeah, I mean, again, you got to make sure most of the problem with what I see out of people is they don't fully grasp the system. So what a lot of people think, because there's so many of these other idiots out there that aren't teaching this in the way that we are, that say, oh, cross, take it. That's not how it works. A lot of the time, you can see these crosses happen after a giant move. At that point, you're chasing. So chasing is usually the biggest issue. So that's why when we look at the reversal strategy or the dots or traffic lights, or dude, I keep fucking it up, or any of the other things that we're teaching you guys with Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, any of those, it's some of the trade setups are different. But once you have your setup and you fully understand the system, you then don't like. I'm never really looking at the whole entire trade setup and be like, okay, well, it's here, it's this, that. I don't care.
Yeah.
I know where my risk is.
So, Matt, IWM has a 3-hour yellow traffic light. Here's the thing. Don't hunt for them. You're playing the 1, the 5, the 4, and the daily, right? The 3-hour is in a regular time frame. You know, if you're hunting for them on different time frames to validate your trade, you're doing it wrong. Let the trades come to you. All right. I'm really, really excited for Andy to get the stuff rocking and rolling live, because it's gonna add a whole different dimension to the way you guys will be trading and how much money you'll be making. All right. So we stick to the 1, the 5, the 4, and the daily. All right.
I really do like it on the 1, but risk management, please. I'm never putting 10% of my account into the 1-minute plays. It's never happening. The only time that I put 10% of my portfolio into a trade is 2 things. I'm either getting like next week's contracts or the week after, or I'm swinging with like a month and a half or 2 months of time.
There you go. So let's really put that in perspective. If you have a $5,000 portfolio, right, then essentially 10% would be 500, and then let's say 2%. What's that going to be? 100?
Yep.
That's all you need. 2% allocation. You know, and if you're going to play the SPY, and you know, you're going to play the 1 minute, you're going to play 0-day expiration. I mean, yeah, the contracts are cheap. You just buy one for under $100.
I don't even play 0 days with them.
Oh, you don't?
No, I'll play like 1 or 2 expiration dates out on the 1 minute for SPY.
And they're so cheap.
Oh yeah.
Right. And then if you have a $10,000 portfolio, then that number goes up from 100 to 200. And I mean, to make 20-30% within minutes and just move on to the next one, you start quickly just stacking them up. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
I mean, you guys saw the Amazon one that I had this morning.
yeah.
That one ran in 40% like that.
Yeah.
That expired tomorrow, but my risk management, where I set up my risk level, it was just the 13 on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
If it flew back up, I'm out. But it didn't, and it ended up being a killer trade.
Yes. So on the 1 minute, you could. I'm gonna shut up. No, we're not going down that route.
Yeah,
we're gonna talk about this in the next lifetime class here. Okay.
Because I have a way that I do it, and it's like you have to manage the risk.
Yeah, it's literally a flow chart, decision making, and basically how you're choosing everything, right?
Mhm.
So yeah, STP does it naturally, but you
Mhm.
don't want to play 10% allocation on 1 minute. No way in hell.
Yeah, no. We'll so that'll be one of the things that we cover in the lifetime masterclass coming up on Sunday. So all you lifetimers, get ready for that. You guys already saw the first one where we went over time frames. We'll probably take it a step further this time.
Yeah. Arvin, 8 1348 decision making flowchart would be nice.
I think that would be. I think it would analysis paralysis. I think you'd be like, oh, this. It's almost like you're trying to pre-move in chess or something. Like you're just gonna think too much.
Yeah.
Most of the time when I have the best trades, it's point and shoot, set the risk, let it fly.
My
Because you
decision
already know
making
what
is
you're
three
looking for.
layers deep though. It's like
Mhm.
really 3 layers in binary. 3 layers
Exactly.
deep. That's my decision making. So we'll get to that in lifetime. Lifetime, you're gonna like this.
Yeah.
Also, I think we were per Andy's suggestion. Are we running with it?
Was this a new thing that I missed?
Yeah, you probably did.
Are you
were
talking
too
about
busy making fucking money. That's what you were doing.
you talking about the
Jesus.
affiliate thing?
Yeah,
Yeah. We were talking about that.
we're gonna green like that, right?
Oh, yes, because we wanted to do that before, and I thought Andy told us we couldn't do it, but apparently we can. So I feel like it's tentative, but we can tell them what we're gonna try to do.
Not yet. Let's talk with Andy first. But
Okay, we'll talk with it because
we're all in
'cause we were
agreement though.
yes, we were going to do that, and then it was like, we can't, and then I was like, then he said it today, and I was like, okay, let's do it.
All right, so like, yeah, well, no. Okay, guys, so stay tuned for lifetime OGs, guys. If OGs, the promo code is still available to you if you want to go ahead and transition to lifetime.
Mhm.
I think you guys, you see the proof in the pudding. You're making money. Currently, lifetime's a steal. It's retail $26.99, and yeah, for all those who are sitting on the sidelines, make sure you jump in at $69 because we will be raising the price.
Mhm.
Especially with what we're going to be introducing, which I'm back testing right now, and just trying to see how it fits in and meshes with yellow traffic lights, 1348, that kind of thing. Plus, STV has a few things in the works as well,
Mhm.
along with Hot Potato and Algo just in the labs right now, just doing some crazy shit. So, we have no choice. With that said, we're giving you an opportunity to be grandfathered in. Yes.
Mhm. Yeah, you guys will all get grandfathered in. Same deal. Like again, like we told you guys, we're always going to take care of the OGs. Price will never go up on the OGs.
Yeah.
Anybody that's in there now, price never goes up.
Yeah.
A lot of you guys actually got a price decrease.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, more toys. More toys.
More toys coming. They're pretty cool too.
Yes, more toys. We will be a one-stop shop for all things trading. That's
Mhm.
my vision. That's the goal.
Yep, that's been our vision from the beginning, I think.
Well, yeah. Now,
Yeah.
what you think is what you say. What you say manifests itself, right? But
Mhm.
that also lends into a lot of like STV talks about money method mindset or mindset method money or however you say it in whatever. Wait, did you not steal that from somebody or you came up with that?
That's from I think it's from something Douglas. He talks about trader psychology, method, mindset, money management.
Okay, there you go. So method mindset. So mindset. You guys, well, with mindset, you guys need to set a clear cut goal. Write it down. Right. Write it down. Remember how you talked about having pictures of your loved ones? You have a realistic goal, right? And you literally tape it right next to the pictures of your loved ones on your monitor. Hold
Mhm.
yourself accountable to it, and enter each and every day proactive in achieving that goal. So what does that mean, right? So if I say I'm going to go ahead and turn 10,000 to 100,000, right? That's a goal. So everything I do is to reach that goal,
Yep.
right? Whether it's me reviewing my plays each and every night like I'm a fucking novice, right? It's just my actions are building up into achieving that goal, right? So your mindset is And it always has to be that you want to reach a goal, especially in this community, right? And your actions need to follow with it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So just rock and roll, guys. Just keep that mindset. You're gonna win because you are.
Mm-hmm. Manage your emotions
Yeah.
and manage your risk. Those are the two most important parts of trading that everybody fails to master. Everybody likes to be a little strategy whore. That's what they are. They try to, they're like, oh, this didn't work. I'm going to look for this. I'm going to look for this. Guys, there's no magic method. We can give you the best tools, and we have done that. And we're continuing to even continuously innovating to make this even easier for you guys to execute with. But if you don't have risk management or you can't manage your emotions, you're fucked.
Yes. Arvin, that's a little too intense. I put pictures of all my deceased loved ones in front of the monitor. They're judging me just like they did in real life. Dude, that's really, really intense. I don't know if that's where we're trying to go with it.
Arvin, I don't think that's healthy, bro. I think you should go to therapy, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah. If you got some childhood drama you got to deal with, man, just go deal with it.
That's tough, Arvin. Jesus. Don't sip it in the market.
Arvin and the Adams family. Yeah, man. Just Arvin. You know, like guys, and this is really, really, really true too. Like, you know, it's when you start trading, and this is something I actually had to learn too as a trader, was I had to learn to put myself in a bubble because no one believed in me. And why would I expect someone to believe in me? Put yourself in a bubble and just
Same
focus
here.
on you.
Everybody was telling me to go to law school. I was like, no, it's
Yeah.
not happening.
Yeah. Don't expect mediocre people to believe in extraordinary results. And what you guys are doing are some extraordinary things. Right? So the only person you need is yourself. All right. Now, let's go ahead and look at Invictus. Doing pretty well today, 64%.
Not bad.
Yeah.
7 for 11. That's pretty solid with Invictus.
Yes. Yes. Not bad. Let's go ahead and get this here. No one will understand, especially if you lose.
SPY is asleep.
Yeah, SPY is going night-night. So is IWM. So is pretty much the broader market. Just
Yeah, it's been fucking around with VWAP today. I may not do anything else today.
It may not. And guys, why is this? Why is this? Well, this is, again, we talk about the stock market being a painting of human emotion, right? And I think emotions have been exhausted with the volatility of the past couple of days. It's been a
Yeah.
whipsaw roller coaster ride. So everyone's just like, let's not fuck around and find out. Let's just sit it out and see where it goes. And I think that that's something you guys should be doing as well.
Yeah, we do have another cuck zone beneath us. At this point, it's not a cuck zone, but if they chop it around here for long enough, it will be. It's the 385.80 cuck zone. Ah, fuck you, SPY. Now it goes. If it breaks 388, it might start going.
Oh my.
Let's see. Yeah, guys, make sure you take advantage of all the tools that we have to offer you guys. And this is the one thing that I need to stress enough too. I know for a fact that you guys aren't putting the time in and watching the videos. We create those videos for the sole purpose of helping you learn. If you aren't going to watch and study those videos that we've put out for you guys, you're going to struggle, man. The gems that are in those videos that are there to help you guys are insane. Make sure that you're watching all of those. They're on platform. They're in the latest content section. We both have dot videos out right now. Make sure that you guys are paying attention to those because they're going to help take your trading to the next level. Just like that risk management video, just like the stop loss one, just like Gabe's original 1348 videos and every video thereafter.
Yes. STV.
Yes.
Why don't we take a week off and force them to figure it out instead of enabling them?
I don't like taking days off.
I mean, I don't either, but I'm all about ruling with an iron fist, right?
You are.
Yeah.
I'll still be here. I can't. I'll tweak out if I don't work.
Well, then I'll just fly you to Florida and you can pretend you're working.
We can't do that after this weekend. We know what's gonna happen.
Oh man, a willy-nilly week, maybe. Oh, that'd be interesting. Like, how much chaos would this community experience
Bro, you
without
guys
us
were
at the
going nuts.
helm?
They were doing it in Market Talk like 20 minutes ago. I'm like, hey, stop, relax. That's not what we're doing.
Oh my god. Okay, so all the OGs who are killing it following the strategy, can you please raise your hand? We're gonna wait for it. Mm, here.
Moonbound. Astro, Joy, Moto. There we go, team.
All right, Nania, Moon, Lori. All right, congratulations, guys. These are the only people you should be listening to in Market Talk. These are the OGs. These are the people who have subscribed to the system. Everything else, guys, you're coming in. You're not the chosen one, right? It's not going to happen for you. You're not going to come in and just like talk about the strategy and then like just derail the whole fucking thing. Listen to the OGs. Follow the rules.
Mm-hmm.
Or I'm going to start lurking. I'm going to start banning people.
I lurk. I see everything. I'm always in there. I may not always say things, but I'm always there.
That's right. Listen to the OGs. These are, dude, you know what? Remember the idea of like 1348 certification?
Yeah.
You know, maybe we need to do that and like just round up, 10 solid people and just go ham on them.
We could.
We should do that. Absolutely.
We definitely could do that. Dude, this market is asleep.
Yeah, it's night-night.
Maybe in the last hour of the day you'll get a move, but it's probably going to fuck around. The morning moves are fun. Other than that, it's just kind of chopping.
There you go.
My account's basically flat today, too.
There you go. Listen, guys, Tabasco Dave, right? Meme extraordinaire here, right? He's come a long way. And I'm gonna be honest, in the beginning, I was just like, oh fuck, Tabasco. Like, he's the crazy dude with the green fucking hair. Like, he's not listening. But he finally got it. He's killing it.
Yeah, he did. He is killing it.
I love the guy. Let's see. Tabasco Dave, definitely. Tabasco Dave is our next millionaire in the making, for sure.
I think so. I really do. I mean, especially with these traffic lights. I mean, we've seen some crazy fucking gains. Kenny says no longer an OG. I was there when it opened and subscribed, but I had to take the last year off, but I'll be back starting in February. Welcome back, man. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Hopefully your mind didn't get clouded with a bunch of bullshit out there that you have to unlearn all these bad habits. But even if that's the case, we'll help you unlearn them.
Oh boy.
Should we do some call-ins?
Well, we can. You guys want to call on in? Let's go ahead and get this set up. Completely away from the market for a year. Wow.
It's a long time.
That is. Wow. I'm assuming you have blue balls.
That's how I would feel.
Or blue traffic lights. My bad.
If it weren't for bad habits, I'd have no habits. Fair, I guess. Spy yellow on what? On the 5? I know there's one on the 1. Yeah, that's choppy. That's choppy. I'm not going to touch any of this now.
There you go. All right. Lines are open. 978-545-1348. Let's go. What are we doing here?
Let's see. Yeah, Tabasco started that Newport with 1348. That's pretty sweet. I wonder what it's at now.
Oh boy, we got coming in from Connecticut spam risk. I hate these.
Uh-oh.
Hold on. Thank you for calling. You're live. Tell us why you're mad.
Good afternoon.
Hello, hello. Who is this?
This is Joe. How are you?
Doing pretty good, Joe.
What's up, man?
I've had some good success with the 1348 strategy.
Nice, man.
I want to let you guys. I think it's short the VIX. Is that right?
Yeah, that's me.
And Gabe, I wanted to thank you guys for the program. It feels very symbolic as to what I once created myself, but it went missing in my garage one day. It was stored next to my Corvette, Jack. I think you're aware of the situation.
What happened?
I had a stack of papers that was in a secure location.
Oh, I know
inside of
what
my
you're saying.
garage.
You're talking about Biden?
Yeah. How you guys doing today?
Dude, good, man.
Dude,
I was like,
I
what?
can't go Joe Biden for jack shit.
You just gotta mumble. That's it.
I was so
That's true.
confused. I was like, what?
I didn't fuck up enough. Dude, that Home Depot put this morning, I don't know if you saw the 4-hour cross. Pretty much it closed yesterday, but it had a $10 drop.
Oh, is this Brian?
Yeah, what's up, dude?
Oh, what's up, buddy?
I guess without saying Brian, he went, holy shit. So I just took a little run up right there to 39.35 right now on the 1 minute.
Yeah, it's everything's starting to get a pop. Apple got one here too, but that Home Depot one, what was the thesis on it? It's a traffic light.
Yeah, so the indicator on that one, let me just pull it up.
Oh,
So,
there it goes.
yeah,
4 hour.
Yeah.
Oh, that 4-hour traffic light is filthy.
Oh,
And not to get over technical on it, but if you throw a Bollinger Band on it, fuck the Bollinger Bands. It's beyond what you guys are working with. Or it's below, I'll say that. But it's hovering right at the bottom band. So, on a 4-hour, I get the shit out of that. But the gain that would have been on a put, I didn't make the play at all, but those guys would have printed huge.
Yeah, there's a lot of money to be made out there, man. Especially on some of these swings, you just got to keep the risk in check. That's the one thing I'm trying to get across to everybody. It's just manage your risk, take that like nonsense out of the equation, so we can make sure that everybody isn't gonna over leverage themselves. Then after that, we can slowly stack up the gains.
look at this on the 1
your
minute.
stream earlier. Good.
That's filthy. Jesus.
Yeah, Home Depot.
There's a guy. That's nuts. Early on your stream, Jack, you had someone commenting, asking about. Well, they basically call themselves out, saying they go too soon and they don't give themselves enough time, and they're always playing the SPY. So, my recommendation for if you can't afford a SPY option, go to IWM and buy yourself more time. It's less expensive.
You're right. Yeah, people like IWM, TQQQ. Some people like SQQQ as well. But yeah, there are alternatives. I think there's another SPY one. There's another SPY one that's I forget what it is, but they're cheaper too.
It's not the VU, right?
No. It's it's an actual S&P ETF. It's just a smaller one. I just forget the name of it.
Okay.
And Gabe, are you any you familiar with QYLD?
Oh, is that the covered call ETF?
Yeah. So they do the dividend plan. I mean, that's just taking $1 million, setting aside, and making your 120 grand a year letting it
Depends.
brew
It
itself
depends. So the one thing you have to be careful with covered call ETFs is where they're selling the covered calls. Because if they're selling at the money covered calls, you can never get your principal back if it slips. So there are some
Understand.
that will have a little bit of a lower yield, but they sell the covered calls further out. So if it drops, you can still make your principal back. That's the one thing you got to be careful with. QYLD might be the one that sells them far enough out, but some of them don't. So that's one thing you have to be careful of.
Gotcha. Well, I'll let you guys get the next call.
Before you go,
when
you're calling in from Connecticut. What parts, man?
Brian and I went.
So,
Brian and I
I
went to
think
the
you
Red
broke-
Sox game. You remember that?
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Yeah. I was double fisting some hot dogs, and unfortunately, they did not cut that. They cut that scene out.
Yeah, we had the 1348 signs at the Red Sox game, and then the lady came down and was like, "What the fuck are you doing?" And I was like, "Nothing."
Hilarious. Well, thanks for calling in, man. Thanks for calling in.
Keep
Take
it up,
it
guys.
All right.
Thanks, Brian.
Oh man, that was fun. Biden, really?
That was funny. I was like, "What car?" I was like, "I don't know a Corvette."
Oh boy. All right, guys, listen, we will be wrapping it up. I actually have a doctor's appointment I got to run to now.
Yep.
So I'm outie.
We'll be live at 1:30. Make sure you guys get your free trials over here. 2 weeks for free. And again, if you guys are interested in Lifetime, we've been receiving a lot of messages about those. Reach out to Diana. She'll give you that 50% discount code. And then you guys will be able to come to that Lifetime Masterclass this Sunday that we're going to be going over the 1 minute and a little of like an expansion of what we covered with you guys last weekend.
Ryan Marshall. Okay, before we go, question on the ADX. It's not reading based on position, but movement, which is not what you guys teach, correct? It's not doing it based on movement.
Mm-mm. It's going off of momentum,
Yes.
a trend.
Actually, it's the ADX more simplified. We can't give you the secret sauce as to how it's done, but it's a different calculation that we came up with Algo.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And it's very, very accurate.
Yep.
All right, guys. So, peace. Oh, yeah, no, it's not a prostate exam. Oh, Jesus. Whatever. All right, guys. Peace.